How to turn off Badoo notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Badoo dating app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you basically have the Badoo dating application over here and then you receive lots of notifications from the Badoo app and then you would like to turn them off, all you have to do for that is go ahead and then first of all launch the settings application here. Once you launch settings, go to the option called notifications. Under notifications, you'll look for the Badoo application over here and tap on it and then turn off the toggle like this next to the Badoo app. Now after you do that, let's say you don't find Badoo over here, what you can also try to do is go to Siri and then you'll find Siri suggestions. But if you tap on Siri suggestions, you'll find Badoo is currently highlighted in green. So turn off the toggle next to the Badoo and you will no longer receive notifications from the Badoo app. This way you will be able to turn off Badoo notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.